it's Mark from Coach Logic. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a playlist and add clips to it. Okay, and you can add clips to a playlist from multiple videos. So you could have all your different coaching videos up there and start to collate, trends, similar clips within one playlist. So to add a playlist, first up, you go to the playlist icon within any of the videos that you've got access to. So go there, and you'll see some videos already. You won't see all of these. Some are public, some are private. And you so create a new playlist. I would make it private. You can always add people to it. Public means that everyone on the platform is going to see it. So start private if you want, unless you want everyone to see it. I'm just going to put moments of feedback, and then create. So that'll sit there for only me to see. So if I go into settings and I want to open this out, I can then say, well, it's private, but actually I'd love, someone to get access to it. So I'm going to put Andy Muir in here. There he is. Okay, so I'm going to say Andy, he can edit it, so he can add to it, or he can only view it. So I'm going to allow him to add more clips to this playlist and actually change it up and stuff. But again, you could just restrict it to view access only. So he can edit it. I might add someone else. I might add like a peer. So I'm going to put Kenneth in here. But Kenneth, he's just a peer. I want to view it, maybe comment on it. So add him as a viewer. Okay, so now I've got this playlist sorted out. I've made it private, but I've invited a couple of people to it. Confirm. Right, and then save that. Okay, come out. So now that whenever I create a clip, and let's just go back to that creativity clip for ease of use. So when I go to a clip, you'll see that when I click on it, I get an option to add it to a playlist. So I can go add to playlist, and I can choose an existing playlist or create a new one. So I could create one on the fly right now. Let's just do that. Let's put a new playlist. And create. So that's ticked now as a new one, and that's private for me, because you can see by the symbol here. I want to also put it into that moments of feedback one as well, and then confirm. So that clip will now sit in both those playlists. Okay, and if I just just to show you how it looks with multiples, I'm just going to create a new clip by pressing start and stop. I'll call this something else. Call this feedback. Confirm. Okay, and I can just go straight to that. Click on it. Let's remove this search, and then I can go to add to playlist. I'm going to just put this one in the moments of feedback. Okay, confirm. All right, so that's me got 2 clips in the moments of feedback and 1 clip in that kind of new playlist that I created. And let's go into the playlist. So if I go back into the icon, I'll see that I've now got a holding JPEG for each of these based on the initial clip that I added. I'll go into this new playlist examples. You'll see I've only got 1 on the right hand side. And if I come back out of that and go into the moments of feedback, you'll see I've got 2 here. Okay, what I can do with this now is, turn the volume down, is I can start to order it. So I can move this down here and rearrange the order. So I've got feedback at the top, creativity back at the bottom. So change up the order there. I can edit the length of them. So now that they're in there, without impacting the length of the clip within the analysis, I can edit the length within the playlist, start or end point, or move around. Whatever I want, and update. Okay, so that's only affecting the clip now within the playlist. Okay, one other cool thing that I can do is if I've got a bunch of clips in a playlist and I want to add them and collate them maybe for a review or something like that, I can go create new playlist. I can make it private, like we talked about before. Make a review. Let's put MC in here. And then instead of me going into the different videos to kind of collate this new playlist, I can actually go direct to the existing playlists, and then all I do is I go to this transfer export clips. So go export clips. I click on the clips that I want. There's only 1 in this one, and then I go transfer clips, and it says, well, where do you want to transfer it to? And I say, well, I want to transfer it to my new review one, and then confirm. Okay, now that clip now remains in this playlist, but it also goes into my review playlist. So if I come at that, and then if I go into this, you'll see now I've got Review MC as a new playlist here. It's got that one clip in it. I can go to the Moments of Feedback playlist. I can go to Transfer Clips, click on the creativity bit and the feedback bit. I'll do both, transfer both these clips to the review and then confirm. Okay, and close. So now I've got both 3 clips in here, two the same creativity ones and one feedback one, which I can then start to manipulate. Okay, and in another video, I'll show you how you can export your playlist or share it onto the feed. Okay, thanks guys, cheers.